Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here. This is the place where you can learn English very easily and fun. This video is great for beginners and A2 learners. Before starting, please subscribe and like us. It gives us energy. Let's go. This book is amazing. I must read it carefully. What is this voice? This sound? Where is it coming from? Oh, no, that sound is coming from the kitchen. I should check what it is. I should go to the kitchen right now. Oh no, the tap is leaking. What should I do now? I can fix it. Oh no. No, I'm wet. I can't fix it. I need to call the repairman. He can fix it. Hello, my faucet is leaking. Can you come and fix it?
Hello. Yes, of course. Please send me your home address.
Okay, I'm sending you the address now. Please come quickly. So when is the repairman coming? It's getting late. Oh, he's here. Hello. Welcome. Please follow me.
Of course, ma'am. I hope I'm not too late. Okay, fixing this is easy.
Oh, you got wet too. Sorry, here you go. Please dry yourself with the towel.
Thank you. These things happen sometimes. Here you go. I fixed it. It doesn't leak anymore.
Thank you for coming so quickly. You've been a big help.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help.
If there's another problem, I'll definitely call you.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Goodbye. Oh, thank God, now I can rest. First, I need to change my clothes. Something comfortable. This outfit is really good. I will wear this one. Oh, now I can read my book without any problem. Oh, Rocky, you woke up. I missed you. I want to hug you. What are you doing? What do you want? Do you want to go out and take a walk together? Oh no, I'm tired today. Let's do it tomorrow. Okay, let's go. Please don't be upset. Wow, this park is very beautiful. But the weather is a little cloudy. Are you having fun, Rocky? The clouds are getting more. I think it's going to rain. We should go home. It might rain. Oh no! I can't believe it. I got so wet today. Hurry up, we need to go home. Oh, we've arrived home, but we are completely soaked. Today was really an eventful day. Now it's time to relax. I can drink tea and watch a movie. Finally, it's time to rest. Oh no, what did you do, Rocky?